This is Ray, W2RE. I'm at one of the sites. Today, we're tramming up a 2 extra rays. It's a 24-foot boom. It's a 3-bander. It's 12 elements. 3 on 20, 4 on 15, and 5 on 10. We set up this tram line, as you can see on the tower. The tram line is going down out to a tree. And there's a pull rope. The white rope is going up to a pulley, and Bobby is going to pull the rope up. While Bobby's pulling, I have a tag line. I have a tag line right here that's going to help us tilt so he can get past the guy wires. Once we get past the guy wires, I'm going to go up the tower and guide this antenna with this little space here. It's only about 18 inches. So I'm going to have to guide this 2 elements in between the tower. And fortunately, this is round 35, and it's only a 15-inch face. So we're going to be okay. We're going to have enough room to get it in there. If this was round 45, this antenna could not be side-mounted. That's the default of this antenna. It's a great antenna, but the elements are real close where the boom to mast connect. So again, we got the tram line going out. We got this all set up. It's nice and level. And the reason why we tram here is, instead of using a crane or a man lift, you can't get that in here. I'll show you. So take a walk with me. So the land here is really thick. We got a lot of trees in here. And back in 1995, when we bought this property, we decided that we were going to divide the property. The 1 acre for the towers and the 1 acre for the kids. So come on over here. So right here we have a rock wall, and this rock wall runs the width of the property. And that other half of the property is the lawn and for the family. This half is for the towers. And for me to get a crane in here or a man lift would require a road and a lot of work. So for that purposes, the only way to work here is tramming. So now that we have the tram line set up, and the reason why we're doing it this way, I'm going to have Bobby start pulling as I tilt the antenna. All right, Bobby, let's make this happen. Hopefully we can get through these trees and in the guy wires with no issues. Go ahead. Okay, you're doing well. Go ahead. Doing good. I'm going to start tilting now. All right, hold up. I got to get past this tree right here that I thought might have been a problem. Okay, go ahead. All right, hold on. Let me just see if I can turn it just a hair. Okay, go ahead. Okay, hold up. Now we're going to tilt. Okay, go ahead. All right, hold up. I'm tilting again. Go ahead. Go ahead, my man. Okay, keep on going. I think we got the guy wires clear. Hold up, hold up. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. All right, hold up. Hold up. Okay. Now that we have this almost cleared, I'm going to pull up on the tram line a little bit. Hold up 1 second as I crank this up. Okay, let me make sure we got everything clear here. Okay, hold up. Now I'm to the point. So where we are right here is, we got the guy wire cleared, which is why we set up the tram line. Now what I got to do here is, I got to get up the tower, and I got to guide this in between the two elements to the boom to mast plate. So I'm going to climb up to approximately the 40-foot level and guide this through. Once we have this thing slam up against the tower, we can end the video. I'm going to show you what I have to do to get this antenna meshed against the tower. I got my bucket with the required tools. The one thing you want to bring up there with you is the U-bolts. I got the 4 U-bolts, some tape, and here we go. I'm going to have Bobby clear these vines out. These vines are starting to get pretty thick on the tower here. Probably work on this week, Bobby. Once I get to a certain point up on the tower, in this case getting past the vine, I secure myself to the tower. I want to get on this side of the tower. Let me catch my breath for a second. Okay, Bobby, nice and slow. All right, hold up. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. All right, hold up, Bobby. This is what you got to do. You got to take that rope and come a little bit closer this way. Okay, that's good. Now come on. Bring her up. Keep on going. Beautiful. Beautiful. Go a little bit more. Let me get up there. I'm going to get myself secured, and I'm going to bolt this thing to the tower. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, we're meshed against the tower, so that will end this video. Basically, this thing is going to be sitting and beaming towards Europe. 7-3 from Ray.